Happy New Year, Jamaican shore fishing. Straight from my back porch. Yes. Happy New Year, Jamaican shore fishing. 2026 season. Fishing. Yep, 26 guys. Jamaican shore fishing. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Yeah, guys, I got a bucktail jig in there. I see something move after it a while ago. Bucktail jig with a soft paddle tail, and I seen some action out there a while ago. First time out in a while, guys. I've been sick. I've been messed up in the game, guys. Hopefully we can grab something this morning. Running that paddle tail. Cuz is with me this morning. Water's not looking the best, but we're gonna try a thing. Cuz, I don't know if the hurricane damaged that pier. Make sure you're careful how you step on it. Hurricane Melissa might have done some damage to it, so step cautiously, all right? The step on the edges that's connected on the beams. You see where the beams are at? I can swim, but the problem is your phone and everything else on it. All right, go ahead, drop your line, cuz. I have to make sure we check our firmness. Big up yourself. Thank you guys for joining Jamaican shore fishing, guys. Normally there's some big barras in here, but I just got to put the right lure on. I don't think that paddle tail is going to grab them, but I know there's always some tarpons in here too, and they love paddle tails. Soft plastic. Cuz, I'll tell you where to drop. Straight down. Straight right down. I guarantee you, especially right here. Look, back here, between here. There's some big snappers that hide right under this pier right here. They're about pound and a half, give or take. I'm gonna change the lure that the sun's coming up. Who's gonna go up there? You see where that excavator is? That's where we was gonna go at. I'm gonna drop this Uzuri crystal minnow on here. Blue on silver with black back, and see what we can pick up. Always have like one or two lures that are sitting out waiting. There goes another pier over there that I fish off of too. I pick up some nice barras over there too, cuz. Right behind you, where the boat is. Yeah. So we're gonna go out with this crystal minnow, Uzuri, see what we can pick up in this depths, guys. I got a wire lead on. I'm still sick, guys. I'm still sick. I'm still not feeling 100. But I just was really haunted this morning. I didn't really sleep well last night. So I said, let me push out this morning and see if I can get a quick video for you guys. It's been a while since I posted any video. Happy New Year. Thank you guys for joining Jamaican shore fishing. I appreciate each and every one of you guys every time for coming out. Just bless up yourselves. So we're doing casts in all different directions. Because it's doing some drop line bait fishing. Because I normally go on them rocks back there and drop line too. Pick up some nice snappers on them rocks right there. So, you set? You getting any bite? I guarantee you, bro, you're going to pick something up before me. There's always a barra hanging out here, but maybe because the water was rough yesterday, they might not be in here. I don't know. I gotta watch my step on these boards so I don't go falling through this dock. And they're always hanging out here in the swim area too. What we think they can't see, their eyesight's are way better than ours. You know what I mean? Especially in water, bro. The dock got damaged a bit, guys. This is one of my early morning spots that I normally pick up some tarpons, or I'd pick up a barra or two. There's a lot of dog teeth snappers and red snappers under there, cuz. Huh? You got one? Nah, cuz, don't worry about that. Which hook you using? Nah, man, the hook ain't too big, bro. Trust me. You have smaller hooks? Didn't I give you some small hooks? Yeah, searching for barras in this cold, clear water after this bad cold front that we just got, guys. Sticky sometimes. I'll see if I can find you a smaller hook in a second. I'm getting hitched up in the grass down there. Yeah, it's still low tide. Thank you guys for joining Jamaican Shore Fishing. Please like, share, subscribe, and watch the ads, guys. Enough love and respect to you all the time, and I thank all you guys for joining the channel. Appreciate you guys hanging around while I healed up from being sick. It's crazy what a little flu can do to me, and it was horrible. It was not nice. All the things that's happening around in the world around us is crazy. Gotten some chance to watch the news a bit. Cuz said he wants a smaller hook, guys. So should I give it to him? What's that? You're getting a hit. Thread it. Thread the bait, bro. Thread the bait. No, bro. Thread the bait. Let me see if I can find you a smaller hook, but thread that bait. Here. You're lucky as hell, boy, and this is small as fuck.
Yeah, man, this one, I don't know which way.
Let me tie the hook on there. Give me, because you're gonna do some other shit that you're not getting picked with. Hold on, give me that. You go through the front to the back, bro. Look. When you're going through line, who are way up this and I can't. And where's the weight at? Where we at? Yeah. Doing a snell knot for him, guys, because he don't know how to do it. So. I don't think this line is thin enough to go through this loop again one more time, but let's give it a shot anyways, right? Oh, it did. Oh, shit. Okay, good. So I can get the double contact line that I want. 1, 2, 4. I hate tying up rigs while I'm out fishing. Sucks. But had to do it for cuz this time. Thinking way up. Oh shit. Camera. Hold on a second, guys. Get this through here. Get this T-knot tied up. And he's good to go right there. Where's that weight at? Well, cuz got some kind of knot he tied here. I'm not in the mood for that right now. Okay. That's you, cuz. I just gave cuz the only tie up. Trying to figure out here. Where's my barrows at? We're close to the reef here, so they come through here to feed. Lots and lots of bait fish that come through here, guys. So it's a matter of being the right timing, at the right place, and just hook up. I guess the right barrow ain't seen it yet. Yeah, man. That's what we want. We want that sun to come up and give us that glare off that lure. Because the lure basically work off the glare, you understand? Unless you're using a colored lure that's high visibility that you can see at nights. Bro, there's some big barrows that run up in here more time, bro. And they breed up around here. Around here is like a breeding ground for them. This is where all Montego Bay finest barrows come from, back here. Because the reserve is right there. After you pass that excavator up there, that's where the reserve starts from, straight back to Great River. Straight back to Aquasol where we stopped at before. and then it stops there and continues after Pier 1. They're fixing the rocks probably, because the storm damaged a lot of the rocks that breaks the waves. Because you gotta thread that bait, or they're gonna keep on nibbling it off. And drop here, right here, straight down here. You hear me? Drop right here. It's in the bucket. Yep. Huh? Yeah. And peel the shrimp. Don't use the shrimp solid, bro. I'm gonna switch this lure off, put on something that catch a little bit more extra glare on. Not much fishermen at sea since this cold front hit yesterday. They probably wised up, was like, you know what, we're not even gonna bother. Nothing, cuz? Nothing? Movements, yo, come in. We're gonna take cuz to a better spot up the line. See if we can get something up there. Something hooked up. By that time the sun should come up. See what's up, guys. Jamaican shore fishing, Jamaican lure fishing, guys. Stay tuned. Okay, so cuz wanted to get some more gears. He throw this bucktail jig with a paddle tail and see if I can pick nothing up down here. Here got a lot more structure. Fish will love to hide out in these spots. Oh shit. Alright. Oh, you get the mush yet? You get the mush yet? Yeah, I gotta cut a stick for my pipe. Take out some bait, I cut one stick. I'm gonna park my lure rod here for a second because right now nothing's happening with that right now. You see that machete? Alright. Go cut a stick to set my rod on real quick. Because I didn't bring my gears, my drop line gears with me. Only have one. So I'm gonna have to cut something like a fork stick to work with my fishing rod right now. So I can, how we say, put it in the rock so it can sit up straight. And I don't end up losing my fishing rod. So, gotta find a perfect candidate stick and give it a chop for what I want it for. And that little piece right here looks promising. Same thing with that other one. A whole bunch of fishing lines on the beach, guys. Yep. Okay. Bingo. That's it. Done. So now to get back over to this side without getting wet or sinking in mud. Oh boy. Salt water. Oh shit. So we're going to set some lines. I'm going to set my line. Oh shit. Try not to get my rod wet or damaged. Being too close to the water. Nope. Not working out for me. You got something yet, cuz you getting bite? I'm trying to find a spot where I could put my fishing rod without it getting wet. And I don't want my rod getting wet with salt water too much. I got enough line that I can go further back, you know what I'm saying? It's just trying to find a hole to stick the stick in. And it sucks. Ah, you suck. So, alright, rod's gonna have to get wet. Screw it. We'll go back to this spot right here. Not necessarily, but alright, we're gonna set it right there. Let's get this bag off our back real quick so I can get some bait out, get my line threaded up and everything. Hey guys, so me and Cuz, alright, got that one baited up, got this one baited up. Now we're gonna thread these lines, guys. Thread these lines really good. Can't take my bait away so easy. Man, I threaded one of them, and you know the fish is gonna get the other one easy. So let's get this line in. Guys, we're gonna get a cast out. We haven't even taken the alarm out yet. 2 ounce weight going out. Ouch, my boot just got wet. Yep. So we got we line set there. Low drag. Hopefully a big fish don't take my rod away. Are you getting bite, Cuz? Alright guys, I had to stop that video to double check if I was recording or not. So I got some drop lines set. Fish on. You seen that, guys? Fish on, guys. I got a fish on already. No? When I bait, then get that ready, you know. Lift up my rod, look while you never see that. Let's get this back out there again, guys. Same sweet spot. This time we'll keep the rod in the hand. They smell that sweet shrimp bait. That was a snapper hit, you know. Now you see why I set my drag loose, right? Pass a piece of something there, give me. The pipe. Hey guys, so watching the bells. I got a hit a while ago. That was a nice hit. Cause you gotta get it out. Yeah man, a nice snapper that, you know. At least 1 pounder. I told you I always catch good snappers up here. I don't know, you know, especially when you fish at nights. I used to sit back here all night till the morning and fish. And get me hit. You guys can see this, look. It's getting touched. And this is what the bells do. They give you that action. As soon as anything touches that line, it gives you that noise that makes you alert to the thing. And I missed it a while ago. I missed the bite a while ago and the fish got away. It was like, damn, it sucked. There you go. There you go, guys. Cause look when I rock out there, so. Look when I rock out there, so. I want to look at island out there, you know. I blew a light tree, blow off it, you know. I didn't know it was that tall. I seen the bushes on it all the time, but I never knew it was that high up. High tide, catch my brethren out there already, you know. Yeah, and he can't swim, you know. Cause low tide, you can walk out there, you know. Eh? I'm have to call the fisherman them for help. Right at Harvey Beach, just so we're powder. Check on this bait now. Bait's gone. Bait gone, cuz. Bait gone there, boy. Ron here, so you catch some nice snapper and some lane snapper. The one with the yellow stripe. You catch red snapper around here, lane snappers, grunts, wrenchman. I used to catch wrenchy around here enough. Back in that sweet spot again. Let the bell does its work. It's getting a hit, but smaller fish. That's why I thread the line to prevent them from biting off the bait, giving the bigger fish time to come in and grab the bait. Yeah, we're gonna slap on a spoon lure. See if we can pick up a jack or a barrow in the meantime while we got our line set. Spoon lure is the best thing to use in shallows, I feel. That's just my motto. So we can watch the line here at the same time. Cuz is dropping line. He ain't got nothing yet, but oh shit, the water's coming in further. I don't like setting lines, especially if I know my rod is unstable. And have this set at the same. It makes me feel uncomfortable, guys. I don't know why. Yeah, 30 pounds, Chris. It's all right. Why don't you just go snook fishing, bro? I'm getting hit. Fish on, cuz. Fish on, cuz. Fish on, cuz. Good fish, cuz. Good fish, cuz. Fish on, cuz. Good fish. Yes, Jamaican shore fishing. This is what we came out for, guys. This bad boy took off. He took off a while ago. Woof. Shore fishing. Woo-wee. Shad, shore fishing. Shad. Shad. Woo! Look at the size of this beauty. Cuz, I'm gonna tell you, say, cuz. Look at this Jamaican shore fishing. Cuz, hold this camera, cuz. Shore fishing. Yo, he took off on me a while ago, guys.
Nigga.
Look at the size of this fish, guys. Look at the size of this shad. I haven't caught one this big in a long time. This is dinner. This is dinner, guys. This is what's up. Big up yourself always, Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here, guys. That's what it's all about. Cuz got hype now. Cuz got hype now, guys. Drop line fishing, guys. Yo, that boy took off when he grabbed the line. You seen that? Oh, damn. Nice eye shad. About 2 pounds, cuz. Cuz, look, 2 pound fish. He didn't get my bait, cuz. That's a damn shame. Get in there. Get some more bait back on this too. Damn. Well, holy smoke, Jamaican shore fishing. I still feel sick, guys. I feel a little bit dizzy after that. Cuz you got something? Huh? Nice size shad on the line a while ago, guys. Matter of fact, I'm not even gonna put no more bait on this. I'm gonna send it out the same way. This is good enough. Back in that sweet spot. Why is my phone ringing somebody? Who the hell my phone's ringing? Oh shit. That one that got you, cuz. That is dinner. Here guys, we came out to make a video for you guys, and this is it. The batteries on this camera is not holding up much longer. I don't have much video time left on it, but thank you guys for joining the channel. Remember, please like, share, subscribe, and watch the ads, guys. Enough love and respect. I think we'll stop this video right now and basically give it a second to chill out for a second until I get the next hookup. I'll turn the camera back on. Okay, stay tuned. I just got another hit a while ago. I actually had this, I think I have my camera glasses on. I think I have my meta glasses on. I was recording this section of it. But I just got another wicked hit a while ago, guys. I'm gonna send it back out again. Thread this thing up again, because I think the thread is giving me more of a challenge for them to get the bait off the hook, I can send the hook out twice with the same bait after catching a fish. Yeah, I'm gonna wrap this bad boy on tight this time. Alright, let's get this on here. Alright, let's get this back out into that sweet spot, guys. Cuz, you got something? Don't force it, don't force it. What time is it? You got him, cuz? Pull in fast, cuz, fast. Make it come up top, fast. Fast, don't do it slow, fast. So your line don't get hitched on reef. Can't go slow in reef. Cause you got that weight at the bottom dangling, cuz. Dip on him, man. Cuz got himself a snapper. A mutton snapper, a small mutton snapper. Small hook gets you small fish, cuz. Cuz, big hook get you big fish. Yeah, this time I'm keeping my line in my hand. Sometimes it'll shift the weight a little bit to make the dust create on the earth, so then see it. Sometimes, in some cases, if it's too much reef, I'm not shift it at all. Here, shore fishing. That's it. That's the end of this video. Me and Cuz is here. We heading back in. Cuz got to go to work. I'm still not feeling well. I just pushed out this morning trying to catch a quick video for you guys, obviously. And just heading back in. I'm going back in to rest, finish taking some more medication after I eat something, and just relax the rest of my day until next week that I start my week back off. Hopefully I feel a lot better by then. So, still not feeling well, like I said, guys. And just trying to push through to make sure I drop a video for you guys this week. So, hopefully I can get this video out tonight, tomorrow, who knows. Listen, man, so let's see what's up. Fisherman, yelling fisherman. Yeah, so that's what's up, guys. So stay tuned. Next epic adventure. Me and Cuz gonna be at it again. Rasta has went back to St. Elizabeth, so we haven't seen him, or we haven't heard from him, so apparently he's with his family and stuff. So bless up yourself anyways. Alright, so take care, Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here.